In this video, we're going to be looking at calculating percentages using 10% as a starting point. To find out any percentage of an amount, we can use our knowledge of 50%, 10% and 1% as starting points. In this video, we'll focus on using 10% as a starting point. If I know how to work out 10% of a number, then I can easily work out any percentage that is a multiple of 10. And we can also use 10% to work out 5%. I'm going to go through 6 different examples. If you'd like to have a go at these yourself before we go through them, pause the video and press play when you're ready. Here's example 1, 20% of 800. First, to work out 10% of a number, we divide it by 10. 800 divided by 10 is 80. So to work out 20% of 800, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 2. 80 multiplied by 2 is 160. So 20% of 800 is 160. Here's the next example, 30% of 21. First, we work out 10% by dividing the number by 10. 21 divided by 10 is 2.1. So to work out 30% of 21, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 3. 2.1 times 3 is 6.3. So 30% of 21 is 6.3. Here's the next example, 60% of 110. To work out 10% of the number, we divide it by 10. 110 divided by 10 is 11. So to work out 60% of 110, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 6. 11 times 6 is 66. So 60% of 110 is 66. Here's the next example, 45% of 60. First, we work out 10% of the number by dividing it by 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. So to work out 40% of 60, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Then we need to work out 5% of 60 by dividing the 10% answer by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now we have found 40% of 60, and we have found 5% of 60. We need to add the answers together to find 45% of 60. 24 add 3 is 27, so 45% of 60 is 27. Here's the next example, 95% of 20. First, we work out 10% by dividing the number by 10. 20 divided by 10 is 2. So to work out 90% of 20, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Then we need to work out 5% of 20 by dividing the 10% answer by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now that we have 90% of 20 and 5% of 20, we need to add the answers together to find 95% of 20. 18 add 1 is 19, so 95% of 20 is 19. Here's the last example, 85% of 40. First, we work out 10% of the number by dividing it by 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. So to work out 80% of 40, we need to multiply the 10% answer by 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Then we need to work out 5% of 40 by dividing the 10% answer by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So now that we have found 80% of 40 and 5% of 40, we need to add the answers together to find 85% of 40. 32 add 2 is 34. So 85% of 40 is 34. Using what you have learnt in this video, can you use this method to work out 65% of 80? Let me know your answer in the comment section.